Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into Loop with your Microsoft identity so your files sync across Teams and Outlook. Once signed in, create a workspace and invite collaborators. This centralizes content and permissions. Next, you must create a new Loop page or a component. Choose a template to save time or start blank to design the flow you need. Make sure to set basic sharing so edits propagate in real time. This prevents duplicate versions and keeps everyone on the same page. You now populate the page with Loop components. Insert lists, tables, checklists, and text blocks to structure work. Once done, use it mentions to assign tasks and add comments to capture decisions. This creates context and accountability. You should also embed related files from OneDrive or Teams so everything is discoverable. Linking keeps the source of truth intact. As you organize, drag and nest components to reflect priorities, and make sure headings and tags clarify where collaborators should focus. You finish by setting explicit access. Choose View, Edit, or Co-author so collaborators know their role. Once done, review the activity feed and version history to confirm changes and revert if necessary. This preserves accountability and fixes mistakes. If collaborators report missing updates, first confirm network and account permissions, then ask them to refresh or relaunch the app. If problems persist, clearing the Loop app cache or resending the invite usually resolves sync issues. This avoids lost work and restores collaboration quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.